Hello everyone, Ryan here. Welcome to our guide on how to apply for an American Express credit card in India. In this video, we're going to be diving into the process of applying for an American Express credit card in India. Whether you're a first-time applicant or looking to add an Amex card to your wallet, this guide will provide you with all the necessary information to get you started. So, American Express offers a variety of card options in the Indian market, each one catering to different needs and lifestyles. So we've got the rewards cards for the membership rewards credit card, gold card, and the platinum card, as these cards can earn membership rewards points on purchases. And those can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or statement credits. There's also the co-branded cards for American Express Jet Airways card and the American Express Marriott Bonvoy card, as these cards can offer benefits specific to the partner brand, such as airline miles or hotel points. There are also the business cards options, such as the American Express corporate card, and those are designed for business expenses and corporate use. So other than the main cards that are available, let's break down the general eligibility criteria for American Express cards specifically in India. Now these criteria can vary depending on the type of card that you're applying for, but the general requirements would be that you must be at least 18 years of age, you should be an Indian resident with a permanent address in India, and besides those, there is a general income criteria. So for salaried employees, the minimum annual income requirement ranges from 4.5 lakhs to 25 lakhs depending on the card. And if you're a self-employed individual, then the minimum annual income requirement decreases to 6 lakhs to 15 lakhs depending on the card. Additionally, a good credit score, typically 700 or above, is required. There should be no history of payment defaults. For the application process, you will likely require some documents, such as an identity proof, so a PAN card, Aadhaar card, passport, driver's license, or a photo ID. You can also use the Aadhaar card for address proof, or a passport, maybe utility bill not older than 3 months, or even a bank account statement to prove your address. So for example, if you wanted to get an American Express Platinum card, then the minimum annual income will be 25 lakhs for salaried and 15 lakhs for self-employed. Some of the factors affecting the eligibility could be the debt to income ratio, as a lower ratio increases the chances of approval. Another thing is the credit history, so a good credit score with no defaults is crucial. Multiple credit cards, as having multiple credit cards can affect eligibility negatively. And finally, any history of loan or credit card payment defaults can lead to a rejection. So when selecting an American Express card in India, make sure to check the entry-level cards, as some cards offer no annual fees, but the premium cards have higher annual fees but with more benefits. I highly recommend going to the Indian American Express website and checking the membership rewards, see how the points program works and how flexible it is for you. And for those who prefer straightforward returns, you can check the cashback programs. Once you have a card that interests you in mind, you want to visit the American Express Indian website. So go to americanexpress.com/en-in. Navigate to the cards section. You can browse and compare the different cards on this tab right here. And then from there, you want to click apply now on your chosen card. From there, you will be asked to provide any personal information that might be relevant to the application, such as your full name exactly as on the PAN card, your date of birth, email address, mobile number, and the PAN card number. After that, you will be asked to provide your employment and financial details. So your current employment status, the employer's name, annual income, these are all things that you might be asked on the application. And then finally, you simply enter your proof of identification, so the PAN card details, maybe the Aadhaar card number if available, and any additional ID proof may be required. Double check all of the information that you submitted and then read and accept the terms and conditions, and finally submit your application. You will most likely hear back from American Express within minutes whether your application has been declined or approved. And if your application got declined, I highly recommend that you request a reason by contacting American Express customer service and then address the issues, whether it's low credit score, insufficient income, or incomplete documentation. So applying for an American Express card in India requires some preparation and understanding of the process. By following these steps given in this guide, you have positioned yourself for a successful application and optimal use of your new card. Remember to use your card responsibly when approved, pay bills on time, and take full advantage of the rewards and benefits offered. And with that, we will have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know whether you have any questions by leaving them in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.